here from Flatware Creations. I got a little overeager with the project I'm making today. It's kind of last minute, but as of today, which is Tuesday, our live feed will be on Facebook tomorrow. Every Wednesdays, or every other Wednesday, we're on Facebook Live, and every one that we're not there, we are at Instagram Live. We're doing mystery bag sales, regular sales, so that's the project that we have going on during the week. But we have a huge giveaway that between us, Celtic Crafters Handmade, and PB Hydro Dip, we have this big project. So Celtic Crafters makes these wonderful masks. Let's see. Here's a Baby Yoda mask she made for me. So we have, she's actually giving away for this, sorry, for this, this giveaway, she's making 8 princess masks. So 8 different princesses, and we are going to, well, in the process of making a 8-stranded princess themed wind chime. So, and also PG Hydro Dip is donating or putting in some little hand pulls, the door pulls and button pusher thingies that she makes. So this morning I started working on this, and tomorrow I give it away. So I'm kind of going through this pretty quickly, the whole design process. I knew roughly what I wanted, but I wasn't sure how it was going to end up, and I ended up changing it again this morning. So here's where we're at. I took 2 forks. They have this really nice rose pattern on them, and I was just going to put them straight up back to back with the 8 prongs turned out, but I decided to make them a heart, and with that we'll have the bases, or the strands will be coming off of that. So this is where we're at. I did all the bending in my press. I did the fork time bending with my little time bender here, and then I curled them over with my little snap ring pliers. So just curl them up, curl them downside, so whenever we bend these, the wires aren't going to be wanting to pop out between the things if they can. So right now that I have my heart about where I want it, I'm going to solder these. So I was just getting ready to solder them. I'm like, oh no, I forgot to take the video. So this is where we're at. So let's get started again. Looks like we're here. Standing up straight and level. Alright, so this is our piece. Will it fit? Boom. Alright, I'm gonna go toss this in the tumbler. So, guess what just happened? I saved a ton of money. No. I just went through and made up all of these princess pieces, and then I accidentally hit the wrong button and deleted the whole last 20 minutes. So we have our heart, topper, we have Snow White, Aurora, Jasmine, Belle, Mulan, Rapunzel, Cinderella, and Ariel. Yeah, I've straightened this up. I just had a thought. I'm trying to think if I could stamp those. Of course, I would have wanted to have done this beforehand. If I just looked at the colors, I myself wouldn't know who was who. Alright, so I'm stamping the names on them. If you're new to our channel, please hit subscribe. Also, click the bell and select all so you get all of our updated videos as soon as they come out.